Upgrading from a basic thermostat to a smart thermostat involves several steps to ensure compatibility and proper setup. Start by checking if your current HVAC system is compatible with a smart thermostat. Most modern smart thermostats support various systems, including traditional HVAC, heat pumps, and zoned heating. However, some models may require specific wiring, such as a C-wire, common wire for continuous power. If your existing system lacks this wire, you might need to install one or use an adapter to ensure your smart thermostat operates correctly. Next, choose a smart thermostat that fits your need. Features like Wi-Fi connectivity, mobile app control, and integration with voice assistants, Google Assistant, Alexa, are key benefits. Some models also offer energy-saving capabilities like usage reports, adaptive learning, and geofencing. It's essential to select one that works seamlessly with your home automation systems, ensuring ease of use and optimal control. The installation process depends on the complexity of your system and your confidence in handling wiring. Many smart thermostats come with detailed instructions, making it possible for DIY enthusiasts to install them. However, if you're uncomfortable with wiring or lack a C-wire, consider hiring a professional to avoid potential issues. After installation, you'll need to configure the smart thermostat. This often involves connecting it to your home's Wi-Fi network, downloading the corresponding app, and customizing settings like temperature schedules, energy preferences, and remote access.